Rimigapta Ajuwi Kamadaya Bauping. Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship Wivang Manipur Dimli Zangbai Ukhrul District Wi Mati Kamjong District Wi Khnida Kapangkhui Haira MSBDCL na Sopakya scheme Paisa Shijin Kangwi Tada RDI Takasang withdraw Sangasa Kavaila Sahira Lake Yangator, Aju the Tangkhul Express Wibao Iknguira Shimray in Abami Delay, Baobing Mesa in Nganang Rumsa. Second Manipur Olympic Games 2022 Li Mathadang Ryoga High Basketball Kangreona Hangmadida Kanili 72nd Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship Wivang Kapangkhui Haira. Atumna Ajon Thangjam Kupsanga High State Games Ling Ryoga High Tekwida Manipur Basketball Association with Selection Committee na recommend Sanaga Rakara Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship Li Manipur State Team Li Zangkawai Abong Mida Kalei Gasana Hangda Kalehi Atumna Ngahan Jili Wazang Lagra Kachima Mana Provisionally select Sada State Team Wivang Dry Sang Laga Chiwi Aina Final Selection Quinoki Kachina Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship We Manipur Team Li Zangbai Manipur Basketball Association na Kapangkhui Kahaichi Mayor Now Magada Madigaya Jili Ukhrul District We Aina Mayor Ngam Rungsung Kamjong District We Aina Mashun Justice Sario Aina Lanmingam Gashung Zangdale Shinao Taranda Jishat Kapangkhui da Jili Ukhrul District We Aina Le Shimi Hongray Saingayai Gashung Gala Rinje Kamrang Ashi Katum Zangdale Kapangkhui Kahai Miping Chi Wivang Akama Brahmapur Nahapam Basketball Gordly Trial Come Selection Daily Rungmi Kidale Hangshini da Gakane Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship G Ajuwe Darik Tarada Gatum Aina Hapogda Tarada Turuk Aina Dangda Aizol Mizoram Ling Ariora MSBDCL na Sopakya scheme Wimaram Li Mahang Mingaila RDI Act Hasanga Haiji Kwishok Nasakawai Hot Kanabao Sampangdale Sopakya scheme we fund Shigajin Gala implement Gasali MSBDCL na Muigahai Tandagate Wivang scheme Jui Kashokazang Takewai Infal Times Right to Information Act Hasanga Jia Kapoda Kale Informa Mila MSBDCL we Akoka Bina Bomashim we editor Li Holaga RDIG we Drosa Kavai Karajan Sayajia Sopakya scheme we Maramli RDI Tasanga Haiji we Drosai Aka Kapopo Mira Kachila Hangada Infal Times na Pongshoka Scheme Jui Ot Matada Saga MSBDCL we authority na Kiwivang RDI application Ji Kuishok Nasak Ngai Hau Gaji Kang Han Sahira MSBDCL na scheme Jui Maram Ki Kamami Shokrang Kala Jui Herring Manipur Information Commission we Lizata Lejia Sopakya scheme we Azingli Sanabadi District Li Kale Le Shangku Ji India we Ku Ngajai electrified Gasa Kana Wangasara da Prime Minister na 2018 King Gajang Hanghai Dale Ka now da Manipur we Abamdara Kale Mai Mbashungranga Gaji Paula Shoga Sopakya scheme G 2017 Kum Union Minister RK Singh Aina Manipur Chief Minister N Biran Singh na Hapok Mia Scheme Jina Mayo 2099 Dangda Shimlak 1,02,748 Li electricity connections Mihairada Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited Nahanga MSBDCL Nagahang Sopakya scheme Rang Laka Manipur Li Shimlak 1,02,758 Gata Mai Mawashung Rang Sai Sopakya scheme Karaina electricity connection Mawashung Rang Gasan Shimlak Sai Gorali Vashunda Shimlak Akala Majita Haimanada claim Gasalaya Sopakya scheme we Azingli Electricity Connection Committee Electricity Pole Nganai Makeup Kachiwiaina Service Cable Kwiva Kami Energy Meter Ban Kami Single Light Point LED Bulb John Kami Kala Mobile Charging Point Samsung Kami Higata Hizanga Osahaira Kachi Kamashun Take Vida Infal Times na Anchugum Kayin Gajang Darik Tarada Jishatang MSBCDL Li RTI Tagasang Nad Kaji Mangahanga Kamina Infal Times na Pagashoka Tishuda Luba 199 crore 85 lakh 89,291 we work order from Madili scheme Juwang Mihaidale Financial year 2018 to 2019 Li Sopakya scheme we work orders G MS Chiama Bauer India Limited MS T&T Projects Ltd MS Industrial System LLB kala MS Kagimba Transmission and Construction li miya da hanga. Manipur Information Commission li case ching asanda MSBDCL na ngahan gaga information border kaleji personal information commercial confidence trade secrets intellectual property wi azingli zanghauda RTI Act mapan bai mana gachihi MSBDCL wi na hanga khayari wi otchi kathada personal information ngasa haw khala mangahan garar thuachia RTI thasang hai maramui files record khalalai zaigor commission li misang luda MSBDCL li chizumi haira kala case chiwe next hearing achi khuiga gida leidale Ukhrul district wi Chammai Gap Kachi Government High Schools ngachaili gazang Chinchiroi li khalai Eastern Christian High School li chishutme khangajap na worship angaretma mathalag la leidale IFP we baw athishuda worship jili chishutme madimang leidale worship juwang boss magada gathum gada sanction saga haina Eastern Christian High School mang maningla Ukhrulaina Gamchon district we shorkar worship ping chishutme khawat legap dale Eastern Christian High School li IFP na wathe ka kuin athishuda headmaster kala assistant headmaster lamalai mana madikacha science and arts chishutme vadale Eastern Christian High School School Management Development Committee SMDC we convener R Timotina worship angaret chiwi ningai kama phongshok da baudili gahang sanction boss maguda gatum leiranli tharukmang leidale jipingjia matriculate jishut mekani Hindi aina primary jishut me akarip office assistant aka BDI we aka kala jogidar aka da tharukmang jina ot ngarut khuidale State Shokar Madaila Kaina, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, Education Minister, Abam Juwe Legislator Kala Education Director na, Worship Mui Maramji Yangsang Mikhawai, SMDC we convener China Sakla Kaina Ngagawaira. Eastern Christian High School hi 1962 Shopok da Ringanai Kuwung Bingwi, now Shinao Bingwi Wang Kamadaya Worship Akang Asada Leisai. Ichumna Paniwong by Eastern Christian High School J State Shorgarwi, School Fagat Hansi Mission we face Kakaneli Zangda, School Building Construction La Hapo Gahaina Jia. Kashim Semga Mangmada Jishut Meleran Gajung Gajama Lemada, Gadam Gashili Sazalakaina Ledele. State Shorgar Hanga Haili Yanga, School Fagat Hansi Mission Azingli, Shorgar Worship Ping Matamaing Saki Gachina, Worship Wishim Sak Facilities Jishut Me Higata, Matasang Asagda Gadaina Shikui Gabai Worship Nasang Sagrada, Ningrin Kale Mission na, Kaning Juk Yeksho Gahai Aina, Gajangat Ling a Dehang Aina Lay Fudale. Tawai Humpung Young Students Organization Aina People's Action for Sustainable Development Organization Bastona, Makok Kami Esing Ahan Ayarung Mihaira. Ngahanji class 9 Aina Dan Gaga Gatamnao Bingwivang, Ukhrul Central School Rumia, Ese Gagaping Ahan Jili, Worship Shini Units Chigo Gatamnao Maguda Medina, Sharukuya. Traditional method of water conservation in Ukhrul Kala substance abuse and its effect in society, la impact of COVID-19 in education system da dugui gatumui ngachali ichicha winning gajang kapangkuida kaping roga. Ese gagabi khayui saman merit certificate aina ngasoda luba tingpanga tingmadi tingatum da khare gakane kala gagatumali miya kala consolation saman mi pangali luba shapangarip miya. Thaisu aina bastona makokami ese ngahanchi dungre youth organization with Lational Lili YR na mathamai kap kabida first prize sampang haira. Secretary Higher Secondary School with Shirinmi Atarina Gakaneli Zangala Ukhrul Central School with NC Vashina Gagatumali Zanga Kare Gatum Makaning Mathada Gasa Gaday Panga Centennial Christian Academy with Ngayur Tingpor Ukhrul Central School with Okmi Keishing St. Mary's School with One Region Rungsung, Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School we Ningzauri Pajang, Arendil Naga Academy we Jade Zam Marak Mashangvu, Atum Bing Hina Consolation Saman Sampanga. Ajakum la essaying a hanji rumida Ukhrul we worship Gajivuna Sherakuya da Hanga. Ajakum we Kayui Bali Zingum Aka Wivang, Taisona admission aina school fees chok mia Gajihanda, Hikitang a handrung kamihi Gadam now being Lee Gadom Kamigasana da, Taiso we executive Nahanga. Gadam now being Lee Ajagum Rum Kamihida da Kanawa Gumdila Rumi Papamra, Kala Rakarang a Hanliva Zangluda, Gahangwang Raila, Gadam now being na Izangadang and Inga Luda, Taiso we President Uringam Risomna Gasatsanga. Ukhrul District Badminton Association we Phungvu Kathar Kapangsangda Association Jiwi President IBS IK Muivana Sahira Hoping Phungshokaina Joy Muinauna Vice President Sorintan Haurina Secretary Soshim Dungshangnauna Joint Secretary Tingray Hongreina Information Secretary Ngalo Ningshan Accountant Temre Shangmarina Treasurer Technical Team Lee Hanison Ningshan Aina Jumekai Mashangvu Hum Pungam Zimikna Property in Charge Ban Strong Layson Kinat Nation Ungting Raman Atumna Auditor Sada Zangdale Ukhrul District Badminton Association with General Assembly Achahon Director Rada Jikota Ngasanda Nomination Committee na Phungvu Pingchi Kapangasangna Ukhrul District Badminton Association with Board of Advisors Lee Transport and Animal Husbandry Minister Kashim Vashum MLA Leishio Kishing MLA Ramuiva MCS Jane Huileng MSBTCL DGM Ungnaugui Longpinau Ashi Phangazangdale Ukhrul District Badminton Association with Phungvu Pingkala Board of Advisors 2022 to 25 Wivang Kapangasangna Dagyel Industrial Estate Aina Nilaguti Food Parkway Kashokazang Aya Minister Nemja Gipken Nabayang Sanghaira Textiles, Commerce and Industry Minister Nemja Gipken na Abam Jiwi Infrastructure Aina Industrial Components Marambayangda Entrepreneurs Bingli Karajan Gasala Sampanga Shogarna Samigahai Infrastructures Iknguira State we Industrial Sector Simga Kawai Minister Gipken Nagasasanga Dagyel Industrial Estate Aina Nilaguti Food Park Li Kawajili Shonfu Angared Le Yangwada Ringanai Zangda we Shonfu Gasem Osin Kwiramira Dahanga Minister Gipken Ling Soda DCI Commissioner BK Cha Commerce and Industry Director Yumnam Robita Devi Kalat Department we Akoga Binglavaya Manipur Police Housing Corporation MPHC projects Tarada Shini Luba 105.51 crore man we Od Gasagop Sanghaira Bauhi CM Birenna Aya MPHC projects review Salaga Gahangna State Shogarna Karin MPHC projects Hangjishadda Chiko Luba 1,854.40 crore manwi od Yeksho Kaida Kalina State Shogar Aina NEC Nangarumda Singaki Kichi proposals Nadida we Maram Lila Chief Minister Natanda Chief Secretary Planning Department we official Pingala Concerned Departments Ping Kangasan Kuiga Haira Manipur statewide area network implement gasa maramla aya CM na ID department li sampangdangasan haira Manipur ajikun ajigai saigor washunda digital connectivity mikhwai state shogar na banglagai na hotna dalayada CM na tweet saya National SC/ST Hub Conclave Akama Jurachanpur Li Gazip Kira Laydale Gazip Chili MSME Union Minister of State Panu Pradap Singh Vermana Chair Sara Kala Manipur Textiles, Commerce, Industry and Corporation Minister Nemja Gipken Ministry of Social Welfare Skill, Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship Fisheries Haikam Dingol Singh Minister of Tribal Affairs and Hills, Horticulture and Social Conservation, led Bao Haukip La Senior Dignitaries Pingla Conclave Chili Vazangida Ledale. NSSH Scheme Gala MSME Scheme Maram Ngayamay Ranuda, National SC/ST Hub Conclave Chi Ministry of MSME na Mako Kamina. Gazip Chili SC/ST Entrepreneur Ping CBSE's Industry Associations Kala Landing Institutions Ping Taking a rock Rajan Gasa Adamla Sampangra MSME sector we azingli unit grow tarukadana mi grow tarada akadi langpai kawai apong kuramida India we lansinli sharugahaga kuidale National SC/ST Hub Scheme we aina SC/STs being public procurement process li diomegabda for a person gazang sampang kawai rindale National Sports Awards 2022 we online applications mikawai ajuwe direct maguna kanawa zimiksho ngasarada Sports Ministry na tishat mihaira applications kala eligibility we maram www.dbtyassports.gov.in li yangkui baira Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of Manipur na hiwe maram press statement mishokda award chiwang application misan kawai ngawat haira Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports na migsho katishuda National Sports Awards 2022 G Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Dhyan Chand Award for Lifetime Achievement in Sports and Games, Kala Rashtriya Khel Brochan Puruskar Hiping Hi Mikida Leya. Latluida Ajiwe Kamadaya Bauping. Senior National Northeast Zonal Championship Wivang Manipur Dimli Zangbai Ukhrul District Wi Mati Kamjong District Wi Khnida Kapangkhui Haira MSB DCL na Sopakya scheme Paisa Shijin Kangwi Tada RDI Takasang withdraw Sangasa Kavaila Sahira Ajiwi Bao Hiling Jang Haira Bao Nada Kalaina Tumsai Gorali Ringapa Kamahaya Zimishong Asasirana